are going to talk about amazing artist Margot Bird. So she's actually an old friend of mine, and I was having a rough day today and was thinking, do I know any artists that just paint kittens or dogs or something cozy? And then I remembered Margot Bird. Oh my gosh. So she used to live in Seattle and we had mutual friends, and so she grew up in the Midwest. I want to say Iowa, and then Indiana. Ooh, I should have looked this up. And then went to school in Madison, Wisconsin, then moved to Seattle, where she's just one of the nicest people I've ever met. Being in the art scene and music scene in Seattle, it can be a kind of a little bit cold shoulder Seattle freeze kind of place, and Margot is like a warm sun. I highly recommend her delightful paintings. When she was living here, like over 10 years ago at this point, she did a lot of animals with eyeballs, which represented multiple perspectives. And then I visited her in New York, and I stayed with her and her incredible black cat Cannonball, who was also a pleasure. And she showed me all these super cool galleries and was just super open and welcoming and introduced me to a lot of people. And I was like, wow, how are you so nice and wonderful? And like, she's a plant person and a cat person, just wonderful. Her artwork focuses on the weird and the delightful, looking at things from a different perspective. She spent over a year doing an art residency in Mexico, painting every day. Her artwork then focused on poodles and aliens, which was really interesting. And she has since got married. I think she got married, or just her long-term partner. Anyways, also an artist who's super cool. And they have 2 adorable children, and they're so sweet. And she's just such an amazing artist. She would share all these pictures where she's like super pregnant, baby, and then still like painting. Just incredible. So check out her work. She has work showing in galleries in New York City and some in Seoul, and there was another one, maybe one in Japan, and then she has work in Mexico. She's also done murals. Oh, sorry, buddy. And yeah, anyway, amazing artist. I hope this brightens your day, and have a good one. All right, bye.